Hi everyone, and welcome to the Minecraft Engineering Camp series. Today we're going to be going over lesson 4, which is going to be review, small projects, and big project introduction. Our goals for today are to review content we learned using small projects, as well as to start brainstorming ideas for our final project. Remember to keep Minecraft open at all times. We will be doing many projects today. Let's start with some review. What are commands? When you type a command in chat, you're asking Minecraft to automatically perform an action. Commands can be used to do a variety of things, and they are always started with a slash, as seen on the screen here. Some important commands are /TP_XYZ. This can be useful to teleport a certain player somewhere. The XYZ letters are used to represent the coordinates of the place you want to teleport the player to. /fill asks the game to fill a specific area with a specific type of block. /summon is used to spawn an entity, like a pig or a creeper. And /give player block is used to give a player a certain block. You would replace player with the name of the player, block with the name of the block you want to give, and amount with the amount of the block that you want. Now we are going to do a small activity. Give yourself a stack of dirt blocks and then spawn a pig. Pause the video and try your best to complete this mini project. I'll show you guys the answer once you guys are done. Good luck. Okay, I assume that you have tried to work out the activity on your own. The answer is that you would use /give player name dirt64. This is done to give dirt blocks to the player. Then you would use /summon pig, and this is used to spawn the pig. Now moving on, we will be reviewing redstone. There are 3 principles of redstone, and they are power sources, power blocks, and contraptions. Put simply, power sources provide redstone power. Powered blocks perform something when powered, and contraptions are the finished product. It is important to note that redstone dust can connect powered blocks and power sources. On the left, we can see some examples of power sources. They are levers, buttons, redstone torches, pressure plates, and target blocks. On the right, we can see examples of powered blocks. They are pistons, sticky pistons, droppers, and dispensers. Now we're going to do our next activity. Make a redstone contraption where it will drop a reward on the floor when a player successfully hits a target block using a bow. A hint is that there is a powered block that drops things on the floor when activated. Also, make sure to connect power sources and powered blocks using redstone. Pause the video and try to figure out the activity on your own. Once again, I'll show you guys the answer after, and once again, I wish you guys good luck. Okay, I assume you've tried your best to find the solution. I will now show you guys the answer. As you could see in the video, there was a target block which was connected to a dropper using redstone dust. Inside the dropper, there were diamond blocks. If you can recall, target blocks send a redstone signal when hit by a snowball or an arrow. And droppers drop items when they receive a redstone signal. So that's how you would do that project. Good job, guys. Finally, we are going to review command blocks. Command blocks are essentially blocks that perform a command when activated by redstone. Use the command shown on the screen in order to get a command block, as they cannot be found in the regular inventory. The command used is /give your name and then command block. We are quickly going to go over the 3 types of command blocks. The first one is an impulse command block, which runs once with every redstone current. Next, we have the repeat command block, which will run forever until the power source has been pressed again, whether it's a lever, button, or pressure plate. Finally, chain command blocks only run when the command block that is pointing to it has been executed, creating sort of a chain effect. Now we have our final activity. Make a doorway where whenever a player walks over a pressure plate, a blaze is summoned. You're going to have to use a command block in order to do this. Pause the video and try your best to figure it out. I will show you guys the answer after. Good luck, guys. Okay, now I'm going to reveal the answer. As you could see in the video, there was a pressure plate on top of a command block, and the pressure plate was the power source. The command block was set to the command summon blaze. This pressure plate was also right next to the door, meaning that whenever you stepped on the pressure plate, it would open the door as well as spawn a blaze. So that is how you do that mini activity. Now we will be going over our final project. You guys will be creating a 5-level parkour course that uses redstone as well as command blocks. You can create whatever you want in this parkour course. We will be brainstorming some ideas now. Some ideas that you could do is having a player shoot a target block in order to open a door. You could also make a command block that will spawn mobs that the player has to fight. Finally, you could have the player find a secret button in order to progress. We will be watching a video that could be an example of one of your levels in your parkour course. As you guys could see in the video, there were many ideas that you could use in your parkour course, like simple parkour, traps, enemies, and the use of pistons to create secret exits. There are many ideas and no ideas are wrong. Thank you guys for watching lesson 4, and I hope to see you all in the next lesson, where we will be starting our final project. Bye guys.